Hi everyone. Today we are going to read a book. It's very interesting, right? To meet you again. I really love read this book. This is a basic alphabet. So let's read together, okay? I'm so excited. Animal Alphabet by Pretty Books. We start with a letter A. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat. Meow. D is for dinosaurs. Roar. Roar means I love you. E is for elephants. F is for fox. Hi Foxy. G is for goat. H is for horse. I is for insects. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish is underwater animals. K is for kitten. Kitten is a cat baby. L is for lion. Whoa. M is for mouse. Squeak, squeak. N is for newt. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. Q is for queen bee. R is for rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. S is for snake. T is for tortoise. Tortoise is in green color. My favorite color is green. U is for unicorn. Wow, it's so cute. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. And last but not least is Z is for zebra. Let's learn ABC. Let's sing together, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time want you to sing with me. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, okay? See you later. Mwah.